I'm Roussel-Stalica, and this is my F&D project. Jeremy, first of all, my business part, loves Floor Decor because of the variety. We have a variety of choosing different tiles, mixing and matching, whether it be a tile or a porcelain. We can really, as I call it, make the room pop when you walk in. With Floor Decor, we're able to go in there. We're actually able to see the material, touch the material, look at the material, and then make sure we have enough of the material to start the project we're looking at. We've had the realtor feedback, we've had the customer perspective feedback. As soon as you walk into our homes, they see it right away. They walk in immediately and they feel, wow, this is high-end workmanship, and they see it right from the beginning. The project we're working on right now, my partner and I are building spec houses, residential homes up in the North Georgia area. We have 4 spec houses going right now.
The design process in this bathroom started with the floor. Obviously, it's kind of an old school black and white tile that, we kind of mix and match with white subway tile and black grout, and we just love it. It's kind of old but new for a modern farmhouse. So we're here in this bathroom, a secondary bathroom in this house. It's different than the first bathroom. It's not black and white, but we chose some neutral grays and mixed and matched the grays with the shower floor and the white grout and the gray tile, just to bring a different neutral look into this house.
By walking the aisles of Floor & Decor, it gives us that variety of tile, flooring, kitchen, backsplash, everything that we need to help make those niches that we're looking for better, so that when we meet these families, they walk in and they can see the product that we're trying to deliver.